Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Apple Pay Cash. So if you've been wondering how to set up Apple Pay Cash, then this video is definitely going to help you out. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to set up Apple Pay Cash. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to open the wallet app. So you want to find the wallet app on your iPhone and open that up. And then you're going to tap on the Apple Pay Cash. So just select the Apple Pay Cash card. And then you just need to read and agree to Apple Pay Cash's terms and conditions. And then just add a debit card or a bank account just so you can fund your Apple Pay Cash account. Now once that's done, that's pretty much it. You'll be able to use Apple Pay Cash. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up Apple Pay Cash. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in